You will stop shopping for shampoos after you're done watching this video. If you enjoy watching this kind of content, you want to see this next time, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, turn on your notification bell to be notified anytime I post. Watch this video to learn how to make your own homemade shampoo from the comfort of your home. This shampoo can be used for any hair type. In today's video, we'll be making use of this soap, Dudu Oshu. It's a pure natural African black soap. If you're in Nigeria, you'll be very familiar with this soap. You can find it anywhere. It's very common. This soap already had palm kernel, cocoa ash, shea butter, lemon juice, honey, aloe vera, and so on. It is very natural. That's why we are using it today. Alongside clove, we're also using fenugreek. Like I told you before, this is the best shampoo for your hair. Can be used for any hair type. Also, we are using lemon. 2 lemon. You can use as much lemon as you please. And we're also using these orange peels. I know majority of you throw away your peels, but today we are putting it into good use. I will tell you why this video go on. I will tell you the benefit of this orange juice that you throw into your dustbin, and after this video you stop throwing it away. You will know that it has a benefit that is very good for your hair. As you can see, our water is already boiling. Into the boiling water, we added a spoon of clove. The measurement depends on the quantity of the soap we are making. Spoon of fenugreek seed. You can use the powder if you have it. Then I went ahead to add our orange peel in not so plenty water, even though I went ahead to add a little bit of water afterwards. Most people don't know how great this orange peel is. When I was small, after cutting the orange, we usually rub the juice on our hair. You know that stuff that comes out, the liquid that comes out from the orange bark, we rub it to our hair, and surprisingly we have good hair. We have great hair. Our hair used to grow. Even though we don't know much about natural hair, we don't even take care of our hair that time, but our hair still grow. It's all this that causes our hair to grow. Orange juice is very good for hair growth, but do you know the peel is even better? It has more vitamin than the orange itself. So this is why I chose to use this orange peel for today's recipe. I added my lemon. Lemon is perfect, especially if you're having dandruff. If you're having buildup, lemon is a good option for you. Lemon is extremely beneficial for your hair. Lemon helps fight dandruff, promotes hair growth, and strengthens the hair. It eliminates scalp buildup. It helps balance the pH of your scalp. It is very effective for solving numerous hair issues. If you're a type that usually have dandruff on your hair, anytime you see it, just use lemon to get rid of it. I chopped my soap into smaller pieces. If you have grater, that would be perfect. Bring the soap into a smaller pieces for it to be able to melt into the hot water easily. This is how I cut mine. You can do better, but I think this is the best. This is the best I can do. This soap is the perfect option for you. If you want to make this, you can get this soap. It has no artificial colors. It has no preservative. It has nothing that will harm you. It is already made up of natural ingredients that is good for your skin, your hair too. So if you're making this, you can make use of this same soap that I'm using in this video. I know a lot of people have this mindset that to maintain natural hair is very expensive, blah 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 blah, but I'm here to tell you that to maintain natural hair is inexpensive. It is not expensive. You can decide to make it inexpensive by making your own DIY product to take care of your hair. Brought our herbs to a boil for it to steep into the water. The water is what we are going to use to infuse the black soap. We are going to use the water to soak the black soap. This water is packed with nutrients, I can tell you, and the house was smelling lovely. You can imagine what this will smell like. You can imagine when you mix clove, lemon, and orange peel. The house was smelling heavenly. I went ahead to sieve my juice into the soap while it was still hot, because we need it to be hot so the soap will be able to melt. I stirred. Then I left it to do its thing. I left it to melt into the hot water. This would take at least 2-3 hours to completely melt. So if you're in a hurry or if you're going somewhere, just go there. Go where you're going. Allow it to do its thing. Behind the camera, I noticed that the soap was getting a little bit thick and it was making it hard for it to melt. So I added a little bit of water. I covered it and I left it to sit. After an hour, I came back to check, and this is what it looks like after an hour. You have to give it time. This is after an hour. This is what it looks like. For those of you who want to know, I added hot water into it because it became so thick and it was difficult to melt. I had to add extra hot water to it.
2 hours later.
Still here, guys. Hope you're following. So after 2 hours, voila, this is what it looks like, completely melted. You see, this is completely melted. It took me 3 good hours to melt this. But if you have a quicker way of melting it, go ahead. I'm just telling you what I did. So the next step is to transfer it into a container. So I'll be using this container washed. Make sure you wash your container before you use it. So I'll be transferring my shampoo into this container. This shampoo foams very well. It foams more than the shop bought shampoos. Most of the shampoos you spend a lot of money to buy, it foams more than it. I'm telling you, that's the fact. This shampoo can last you for a month, depending on how frequently you wash your hair. This shampoo can last you a month. Let's do a demo. Guys, please show me your support, show me your encouragement to be able to do more video for you by liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you as you do so. Do you see? Do you see how this shampoo forms? It doesn't only foam. This will clarify your hair. This will remove all the buildup on your scalp. I encourage you to try out this recipe and come back.